Henley, are you in a predicament? Are you in a tight spot?
I'm going there too. I'm going there too.
You're going to go in there too?
Hello.
Lorelai, are you in a predicament?
Yes.
Oh. 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 Don't know if I got that on film or not. Henley made his way through. Alright. You're in a predicament. What's wrong?
Henley just like making the noise and she did this.
What are you in?
I'm in a predicament.
You are in a predicament.
What does that mean?
That means you have to figure out something to get yourself out of that tight spot. Oh, can you do it? Can you do it? There you go. She made it out. Okay.
See, I'm big.
Here, let me fix your hair so swooshy. Say hi to all your people.
Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.
Good. You say what? What happened here?
I had a potato leg.
Are you saying hi too?
Hi, Henley said hi.
Well, we're getting ready to go to the store.
Bye-bye.
Not food. It's not. Put it out of your mouth. Good. Good.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have fun.
Okay.
You can have fun if you don't ever come.
Sorry, I'm swiggling the phone around so much.
Look.